Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to integrate two cats. Bringing a new cat into your home can be stressful for your resident cat. Cats are territorial, so your current cat may see the newcomer as a threat rather than a friend. Before bringing a new cat home, think about your resident cat's personality and lifestyle. Match cats with similar energy levels. For example, a playful kitten may overwhelm a senior cat, causing stress, and cats who haven't been around other cats may need extra time to adjust. If possible, choose a new cat that enjoys the company of other cats. Keep the new cat in a separate room the first few days or weeks. This helps them feel secure and allows you, the resident cat, to adjust to the new presence without direct contact. The goal is to help your cats associate each other with good experiences. Pick a favorite treat or activity like playtime or grooming. That will only happen when the cats are aware of each other. Place a tall, sturdy baby gate in the doorway of the new cat's room so cats can see each other safely. Do not force interaction. Now I'll give you the signs your cats are comfortable. Eating treats in each other's presence, playing with toys while nearby, ignoring each time, and continuing their own activities or gentle interactions like touching noses or playing footsies under the gate. But if you see these signs, your cat may be stressed, hissing, growling, or switching tails, hiding or avoiding the other cat and flat-turned ears, crouching or puffed up fur. If stress occurs, slow down the process or return to the previous step. Now let the cats meet without the gate under close supervision and give treats or playtime for calm or friendly interactions. If a cat shows aggression, distract them with a toy and end the session on a positive note, and extend supervised sessions until both cats consistently display calm or friendly behavior over several days or weeks. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.